Hello everybody, and today we're going to animate a slide look like the column chart is growing like this. Alright, so first I have blank slide like this, and I'm going to set the background format. So right click on that and go to the format background. Add the color, I'm going to choose for this, gotta choose the blue dark over here, and now we have the slide background like this. And then we're going to draw the shape. So go to insert, shapes, and choose the rectangle shape. I'm going to draw on the bottom here, and this rectangle shape we're going to use as the masking because we want to animate the column charts to growing, so we have to make it the same as the background color. Okay, suppose the size like this, and then we're going to remove the outline. And then we're going to insert the rectangle, which is have the round corner. So we have to draw it much longer like that, and you click on the yellow point, so the corner is going to be turned to the shape like this. Okay, so I'm going to place it like this, and you're gonna hold Control and drag them out, so it's gonna be copy or duplicate the column. Okay, so suppose you have the 3 categories, so we have the 3 columns as well. And now I'm going to move the columns next to each other and have a little bit gap between each column. And now I'm going to select all of this column and go to shape format to remove the outline shape. Okay. For the effects, I'm going to choose the shadow, so the inner shadow like this is better look. And then I'm going to change the color, and then we select this color. So the color we're going to choose any color, or just going to use the same as me is okay. So we're going to change all this column to a different color, so we can see that we can visualize the data or can see the distinction between the data. Then I'm going to copy these columns to show in each different yearly, for example. So you can see we have this column chart bar, and then I'm going to select on this masking, send it to the front. Then we change the color to match with the background. Then I'm going to insert a line so that we can see just like the measure metric. Alright, so suppose this line and measure, then I'm going to select all this line and send it back to the column so that we can see the column is in front of the lines. So next I'm going to insert a text box for putting the value of the metric. Now you can see that this value is not at the same line. So we're going to select all this label and then go to arrange, align, and distribute vertically. So we can see that all these labels have the same gap between each other. Now we go once again to the align and then select the align center so that you can see it is at the same color. Okay. So I'm going to modify some values so that we can see it look like the real one. And now I'm going to add the label years to the x-axis. So now I'm going to move the bar to the very high, and you have to hold the shift key before move it, so that it's gonna be sit at the same vertical line. And this for example, I just move it to the very high. For some year it's short, or some years long, something like that. It's based on your actual data. Then I'm going to insert a work art for the title. And you can change to the other font and the color as well, so that you can see it clearly. In slide presentation or other design, you have to consider not colorful. It's just going to be add some color that you choose primary color, something like that. It's just basic concept. I have no idea about the design as well, but the basic concept, you have to choose a few of color, which is the primary color. Then we miss some point. You have to put the legend label. Basically, for bar chart or column chart, you have to add the legend label so that the audience or the viewer might know what color that you refer to the category is. At the same thing, if you want the elements have the same gap or equality, so you have to go to arrange and go to align and select distribute vertically, so then the gap between each element is gonna be divided to equally to each other. And you can see as well, we have to put align into the center. Then we change to the color which is you refer to the category is. Then I'm going to add another option for the information or any additional information that you want to put it. So this one just for decoration. So suppose this is the final result that we want, and then I'm going to duplicate the slide. And for the first slide that we want is we have to initiate the data. So we have to select all these columns together. Then we're gonna go to the arrange and then align to the button. Then you can see it is at the same height. Now we can move the columns into the lower so that we can see that it hide under the mask that we have drawn in the previous minutes. So mean that we gonna initiate from the first stage, we just have no column, and then we're going to select the second slide, transitions, select the morph transition. Now you can see the preview, and here is the final result. You can find link in description below for download free template. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. See you guys in the next tutorial.